Video we got a what? Another unboxing. Let's open up these bad boys. These did come directly from Nike. Did hit on Sneakerhead. These are probably an overdue shoe. I'll show you the box. You probably already know what these are. Bam. See that Kobe box with that Mamba. This is a very nice box in my humble opinion. It does have that Kobe Stealth branding on there. See the nice gold trim. My size 10. Air tag reads Kobe 6 Protro. This is in the Game Royal white colorway. So open these bad boys up. We do have that lid that just pops off with the special on the top. We do have that Kobe Stealth logo paper, as well as that nice Mamba print. I do think that's a nice touch. Inside, we do have that regular wrapping. Bam! I got the shoe. So I'm very excited to finally see my pair in hand. Wanted to see what's all the hype about on this pair. So overall, this is another iteration. This is a very special shoe, in my opinion. The Dodgers colorway I wanted to get my collection. We do have a couple of other Kobe's in my collection as well. So I know we've seen these about a million times, but first time I'm seeing these in hand. Overall, do think this is nice colorway. You can rock these in the summer. Do see that special branding right there, that 8 on the side, and does have the white swoosh on the side, which is a little bit different because we know most of the Kobe's 6s have that silver swoosh on the side. Do see that Air Zoom branding right there. Looking at the outsole, we do see that regular standard Kobe outsole. That little shank plate right there, that carbon fiber shank plate, as well as that Kobe branding with that Steph logo in white. Moving around to the back, do see that signature of Kobe Bryant. I do think that's a nice touch. Looking at the tongue of the shoe, a little bit something special on this shoe. Predominantly the shoe Game Royal. However, as we go up, do see that white Stealth logo. I do think that's a nice touch. And one of the special things about this, it does have this special red yarn at the top of the toe tag, which represents like the catcher's glove. I do think that's a nice hit of red. I do like that the sock liner is Game Royal blue as well, so you don't have to worry about getting that dirty. Checking out the sock liner itself, we do see that Kobe Stealth logo in there. I do think that's a nice touch for a little bit of pop of color. Overall, this is just a nice clean shoe for the summer. And my brother, he's always talking about the laces, and guess what? They did give us an extra set of laces right here, so I do think that's a nice touch. I do think the shoe would pop a lot more with the white laces in there. Comment down below if you would be rocking the regular blue laces or the white laces. But overall, this is my shoe in hand. I'm very excited to have these in my collection. We will be going a deeper review of all the Kobe's that I do have. Let me know down in the comments, Sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? If you like content like this, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that bell for notifications so you can see future unboxings such as this. And the next time we'll see you, Sneakerheads.